Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product I've been using for years now. It's Jergens Natural Glow. I'm sure if you haven't heard of Natural Glow, you've at least heard of Jergens because there's so many commercials. It's always being advertised. It's a very popular brand. They have lotions and things like that. This one happens to be a tinted tanning lotion. So it gradually creates flawless, natural looking color over time. And then this one, I guess this is rather on the new side, maybe the last couple of years, that this has plus firming daily moisturizer, so it actually reduces the appearance of cellulite in as little as 7 days. They come in different colors to match your skin tone. I got the fair to medium one because I purchased this in the winter, so I didn't really have a tan going yet at all, so I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going for a color that would be too dark because then it would just look fake maybe. I'm sure medium would have still been fine, but I just thought the fair to medium would have looked a little bit more natural. So I think this is really great if you can't, if you want to have like a little bit of a natural looking tan and you don't want to go to the tanning salon, this is perfect for it. This has actually received an award-winning color and it has a great scent. When this first came out, I feel like it had like that kind of fake tan vegetable oil scent to it. This one does not. I guess over time they've improved it and stuff, so now it's much better. So you could see when you first start using it, say your starting point is this color. After several days it'll be this color in the middle, and then after 1 week it'll be that color. So it gradually gives you a natural looking tan. Jergens Natural Glow plus Firming Daily Moisturizer creates a color that's gradual, flawless, and captivating. You'll experience natural looking color that's streak-free, hassle-free, and with our breakthrough patent-pending technology has no sunless tanning odor. Like I was just telling you about, like that vegetable oil weird sunless tanning smell. This does not have this. It just smells like a nice floral lotion. It's clinically proven to reduce the appearance of cellulite in as little as 7 days. With Jergens Natural Glow plus Firming Daily Moisturizer, you'll feel and experience natural looking color that is the very essence of your beauty. I have to say I don't have much cellulite, maybe just a little bit, so it did help with that. But in my experience using this every day, it definitely helps build a natural, gradual tan. You just have to be careful around your elbows and your knees. Just make sure you're not using as much lotion there because it could build up and look kind of orange and it can get a little blotchy in those areas, so just be careful. Directions for best results: use daily as your all-over body lotion, smooth on evenly and completely, use sparingly on knees, elbows, and ankles. Allow several minutes to dry prior to dressing. I guess that's just so that it sinks in your skin and doesn't really come off on your clothes, although I really haven't ever had it come off on my clothes. That's never happened to me with this product. Wash your hands after application. You will begin to see a subtle development of color within several days. Try Jergens Natural Glow Face Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen to complete your all-over glow. Haven't tried that yet, but definitely I would be open to it. Oh, and then best if used within 12 months of opening. So I guess it kind of does have a little bit of an expiration date on there, but you could definitely go through this if you're using it every day. For sure you'll go through it way before that time frame of 12 months. So I got the 7.5 floral ounce. I think they have it in different sizes, smaller and larger I believe, but this just seemed to be the one that made the most sense to get. It's actually almost empty because I haven't been using it every single day probably like I should. That's why there's still a little bit left. Like I bought this probably in March and now it's August, so, but it's definitely almost empty. So I just want to open it up and show you guys. It's just an easy squeeze bottle. I squeezed a little bit out on my hand so you guys could see. So it's just all white and it actually does smell really pleasant. I'm smelling it right now. It just smells like a pretty floral lotion, kind of average. I'm gonna rub some in. See, rubs in just like a normal lotion and it has a really nice scent. It smells really good now. So yeah, I would use this everywhere except on my face. I guess you could use it on your face, but I just don't. I don't know if it would give me a breakout or something. I use it all over my body though. When I use it in between my toes and my hands, I just make sure that I use a little bit less around like the webbing of my fingers, like in here, and the webbing of my toes, just because those could also get a little blotchy, so just be careful with that. And definitely, if you want to try an all over tan, use the Jergens Natural Glow Face, like it says on the back. I think I'm going to buy that and try that out too. And that has sunscreen in that, so that's great. You got to put sunscreen every day on your face. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you try it out. Have a great night.